Welcome to part 2. The restoration is more than halfway complete. Let's wait and see the final result together.
Readings look good. Let's get these values recorded. Confirm. Write that down. Verified fit. Structural integrity holds. The old stack is set aside. Now the material. Smooth rotation. These bearings are good. Just checking clearances now. Inventory looks complete. Line it up. Easy. Slow down a bit. Just a few more inches. Steady. Steady. Looking good. Hold it right there. All right. Hold it steady. Clear on this side. Inch it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Perfect. Send it home. All right, let's get this lined up. Easy now, just a little further. Torque it down, secure that path. Smooth as butter, power restored. Line up the pins. Torque to spec. Check the tension on the springs. Verified. Moving to the next one. Line it up with the frame. Good. Let's roll it tight to catch the adhesive. All right, watch the plastic. Got it. Torquing down now. Checks out. Test the recline. Line it up. Got it. Press. Good. Run the screws. Check. Seals look good. Keep it steady. Guide it to the studs. Easy, easy. Let's align. Lock it down. Check that seam. Looks perfect. All right, the line looks good. Starting the start pattern now. Wiring connection is secure. Cable slack checked and confirmed. All right, system is pressurized. Found a micro leak on fin 15. Mark it for tightening. Good catch. System diagnostics. Engine, transmission, and hydraulics online. Chassis and climate control online. All systems fully operational. Main systems online. All modules communicating. Engage primary generators. Keep it steady. Watch the bounce down. Got it. Let's get it going. Red for lift from this side. Line it up. Easy. Push it tight. Give me a look. Got it. First one's on. Spin it down. Initiating calibration sequence. Verify the gear ratio and brake bias. Parameters are holding steady. Looks good. Confirmation set. Deploying update now. Done. All right. Initiating sweep. Checking gauges. Hitting the stops. Reversing. Looks good. Wipers active. Check. Hydraulics responding. Affirmative. Fuel pressure stabilizing. Okay. Solid on coolant and exhaust. Check. Verified. Clear for start. Engaging systems. Initiating start sequence. And ignition. Checklist complete. Masking is secure. Initiating airflow sequence. Looking good. Tighten is ready.
After more than 2 months of hard work from our team, we finally completed this massive project. The result is absolutely breathtaking. Now it's time to get it ready for the road.